ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano insekto yan. Ayan, oh.
Wait, that's a moth.
Moth ba yan? Hindi.
Oh, that's why
May
it's
sound siya eh.
Oh,
Yung pala yung tinatahulan ni ni Amaris.
maybe that's a cricket. That it makes sound.
Cricket ba yan?
Maybe he's stuck.
Hmm.
Why is he twerking? Why is he twerking?
Ano kaya insekto
Maris,
yan?
did you kill the bug? I don't know what kind. Put it on the Facebook Live to tell everyone what kind of bug is it.
You touch it.
No!
Ayo! Oh!
Ah! Ano ba? Ano ba?
Yung bag yan, oh.
Baka cricket eh kasi may make siya ng sound ng
Ba't